Ever feel like you just can't breathe through your nose? Your chest feels tight? Lungs feels heavy? Yeah, I know that feeling. Well, if you're all stuffed up with mucus and phlegm, hang in there. This could be the relief you've been hoping for. Today, I'm going to show you a natural drink that can clear your sinuses, loosen up that chest congestion, and help unclog your lungs. And the best part is that you probably already have everything you need. There is that moment when you try to take a deep breath, but your nose is blocked, your throat's sticky, and your chest feels like it's made of cement. Not fun, right? You cough and cough, but nothing comes up. Frustrating, isn't it? You blow your nose, and it's still stuffed. Ugh, that's because your body's overwhelmed. Maybe it's inflammation, allergies, a virus, or even pollution. Your system goes into overdrive, making way too much mucus. But it's not draining like it should. Well, stick around and watch this video to the end, because we will not just be talking about what to drink, but we'll explain why it works, how to make it, and how to actually use it so that you can get real results. Okay, let's help you breathe easy again. But here's the good news. There's a natural, time-tested solution. It's a powerful herbal drink that clears out the gunk, calms the inflammation, and opens up your airways, almost like flipping a switch. No pills, no sprays, no weird side effects, just real relief. This isn't just another so-called health hack. This drink works from your sinuses all the way down to your lungs, helping you breathe, talk, and even sleep better. What is the star ingredient, you might ask? Well, it's not just one thing. It's a blend of nature's best mucus busters: ginger, turmeric, lemon, honey, cayenne, and here's the secret hero, thyme. I'll show you exactly how to make this drink, when to take it, who should skip it, and how to get the best results, okay? Let's break it down together. But first, let's talk about what's actually going on in your body. Mucus is totally normal. It's your body's way of protecting your airways from dust, germs, and viruses. But when you run into irritants like pollen, smoke, dairy, or a nasty virus, your mucus thickens, hangs around, and starts blocking your breathing. And when inflammation kicks in, your sinuses swell and your lungs get sluggish. That's when you're left coughing, sniffling, and gasping for air. So to fix this, 3 things needs to be done. 1. Thin out the mucus so it can actually move. 2. Calm down the inflammation so your airways open up. 3. Support your immune system so the mucus doesn't keep coming back. And that's exactly what this drink is made to do. Let's go through each ingredient, and I'll tell you why it's in there. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. It relaxes your airways, loosens up mucus, and gets your blood flowing so that phlegm will be cleared out faster. Turmeric, this golden spice, has curcumin, one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatories out there. It helps to bring down swelling in your sinuses and lungs and gives your immune system a boost. Black pepper, used to activate the curcumin in the turmeric. Honey soothes sore throats, helps you cough less, and even has some mild antibacterial powers. Plus, it just makes the drink taste better. Cayenne gets your blood moving, opens up your airways, and helps to break up stubborn mucus. You only need a pinch, but trust me, it makes a big difference. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C. It thins out mucus and helps to fight off the viruses that might be causing your symptoms. It also helps to balance your body's pH and can break down mucus buildup. Now, let's talk about the secret weapon that most people totally overlook. Thyme, yeah, that little herb hiding in your spice rack, is actually one of the best natural remedies for chest congestion. It's got thymol, which is a compound with antimicrobial, antispasmodic, and expectorant powers. So what does that mean for you? It helps kill germs in your throat and lungs. It relaxes your airway muscles. And most importantly, it breaks up and clears out mucus. Ancient healers used thyme tea for coughs, asthma, bronchitis, and even whooping cough. Modern science also agrees. Studies showed thyme helps cut down coughing fits and makes breathing easier. If you're feeling that deep chest congestion, thyme should be your new best friend. All right, I know that this is the moment that you have all been waiting for. Elle will now explain how to make this drink. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, or use fresh turmeric if you've got it, just a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon dried thyme or a few sprigs of fresh, juice of half a lemon, just a pinch of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Here's how to make it. Boil the water. Add the ginger, turmeric, black pepper, and thyme. Let it simmer for 7 to 10 minutes. Take it off the heat. Add the lemon juice, cayenne, and the honey. Stir it up and sip it while it's still warm. This tea takes just a few minutes to make, and honestly, it's better than any cough syrup that you can buy at the store. Drink it warm, once in the morning and once at night, especially when your symptoms are acting up. For sinus relief, you can even inhale the steam before you sip. Just breathe it in gently while it's steeping to loosen up that nasal mucus. Keep it up for 3 to 5 days, even though most people notice a big difference after just 2 cups. Quick heads up. If you're pregnant, nursing, on blood thinners, or have ulcers, check with your doctor before using cayenne, turmeric, or lots of thyme. And most importantly, skip this drink if you're allergic to any of the ingredients. So the next time your nose is stuffed, your chest feels heavy, or you're just tired of wheezing, don't grab another over-the-counter medication, because nature has already given you everything you need to breathe clearly again. I know that you find this video informative, informational, and very educational, so go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy, and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So, go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it. Then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. Thanks for watching. Now go take a deep breath and enjoy the relief. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. But, until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Also, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.